Good morning, everybody. SRP V8 Diamonds Mastery in the house. My name is Stella Jane Penn, and today I'm going to be going through with you our 10K funded trader account. This has been quite a popular one that people have been asking me to do, and I think this is really, really important because this account could really guide you on your journey, yes, to becoming a funded trader, but what it also does is it helps to break it down for you into something that's really relatable. Okay, I think it's important. I mention this a lot when we are, whether it be our own accounts or we're trying to get funded or we are compounding our own account. Okay, I think it's important to work to something with numbers that are achievable, that we have seen, and we progress to the huge numbers as we call them. I think with the mind, if you look at something on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, and work to those guidelines, then I think that is far more achievable and not so overwhelming for the mind. So today I'm going to talk to you about a 10K account. Okay. Now I've done 5%, 10%, 15%, and I've done 20% on this particular account balance. Okay. So we're going to start with a 10,000K account. Now, 5% of that monthly is 500. Whether or not you work in pounds or dollars, whatever your currency, it will still be the same in terms of the numbers. Okay, so 5% is 500, 10% is 1,000, 15% is 1,500, and 20% is 2,000. And these are monthly targets that we are going to work towards. Okay. Now let's break that down for you in days. So again, the 10K account over a 10-day period would be 50 a day. Okay. Whether that's dollars, pounds, as I say, or currency, but that would be 50 a day. 20 days, 25. Okay. And the reason I put 30 days is really after your 10 and 20 days, you look at where you are. And if you happen to not be on target, that enables you to get back on track. So I put a daily average, a daily target of 1667 over 30 days. So although we don't have 30 trading days in a month normally, we can still get back on track. So we look at the 30 days and we adjust. Okay. 5%, 500 monthly target broken down into 10 days, 20 days, and 30 days. Now let's look at 10%. Let's say you wanted to work towards 1,000 a month. Okay. Again, still the 10K account. 10 days, 100 pounds, $100 a day target, 10 days. 20 days, a target of 50. Okay, can you see how these aren't so overwhelming? And again, use your 30 days, look at where you are. You're going to need to do that anyway to compound your account. You're looking for account growth long term. And I would suggest you do this at least once a month as well as you're working, not even just to a challenge, but when you are funded and you're on a paid account or you have your own account and you're compounding that, you can use these numbers, okay, to grow your account and not to become so overwhelmed. And as I say, 30 days, recalculate, look at where you are after your 20 days or your 10 days, okay, and use that as an average of 33. So 10% is 1,000 monthly target. 15%, 1,500 monthly target. 10K account, still the same. 10 days, 150 daily target. 20 days, 75 daily target. Recalculate, see where you are, make sure you're on track. 30 days average, 50. Okay? Daily targets. This is you working on 15%, 1,500 monthly target. And I've added 20%, which is 2,000 monthly target. Okay? So 10K account, 10 days, 200 daily target. 20 days, 100 daily target. Recalculate, keep looking to see where you are. Use your 30 days to keep on track as an average 66.67 daily target gets you your 20% 2,000 monthly. Okay, just remain accountable for yourself. You will pick your strategy. You will pick which one you are going to work with and stick to that. Give it the time, give it the days needed, and keep checking. Work on something that is relatable for you. Okay, that is so, so important. And good luck with either your funded challenge, compounding your own account. Know that you can do this, and just be kind to that beautiful mind. Love and light, everybody. Again, I'm Stella Jane Penn from SRP V8 Diamonds Mastery. And together we serve sparkle, love, light, and energy to others throughout the world. I believe in you. Now go and smash those daily and monthly targets.